A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you and your family are safe. A student, in the previous GK class, you have solved worksheet. Now I am going to start your GK book. It is your GK book, Know and Grow with Derek. Right? So let us start first chapter. The first chapter is Indian First. Write the name of these famous first in India. Women Speaker of State Assembly. Woman Speaker of State Assembly. The answer is Shanno Devi. S, write S H A N N O D E V I. Shanno Devi. Shanno Devi was the Speaker of Haryana Legislative Assembly, and her serving period is 1966 to 1967. She was the first woman Speaker of State Assembly. Right? Now, Indian Civil Officer. First Indian Civil Officer. The answer is Satyendra Nath Tagore. Yes, Satyendra Nath Tagore. Right? S A T Y E N D R A, Satyendra, N A T H, Nath Tagore, T E A G O R E, Tagore. Right? He is the brother of Rabindranath Tagore. Satyendranath Tagore qualified ICS exam in 1863. First woman advocate of India. Third question is first woman advocate of India. The first woman advocate of India is Cornelia Sorabji. Cornelia Sorabji. Right? C O R Cor N E L I A. Cornelia Sorabji. S O R A B J I. Sorabji. Right? Astronaut. First astronaut of India. Guess who is the first astronaut of India? Yes. Right answer? Rakesh Sharma. Okay, right? Rakesh Sharma. R A K E S H. Rakesh. S H A R M A. Sharma. Rakesh Sharma went to the space Rakesh Sharma went to space on 3rd April 1984. 1984. Fifth question is to climb Mount Everest without oxygen. Name the person who climbed Mount Everest without oxygen. Wrong answer. Bachendri Pal is the wrong answer. Right answer is Phu Dorji. Phu, P H U. Phu Dorji. D O R J E E. Phu Dorji. Phu Dorji was climbed Mount Everest without oxygen on 5th May 1984. Next, Oscar winner. Who was the first Indian who won Oscar? Answer is Satyajit Roy. Satya, S A T Y A J-I-T, Satyajit Roy, R-O-Y. He got Oscar Award in 1992 for the remarkable contribution of world cinema. He was a famous Indian director. Now, Test captain. The first Test captain of India is, Test captain means cricket Test captain of India. Answer is C.K. Naidu. C.K. Naidu. Naidu. In the year of 1932 to 1934. 1932 to 1934, he was the captain of Indian Test cricket team. Man to swim across the English Channel. English Channel. Man to swim across the English Channel. The answer is Mihir Sen. M-I-H-I-R. Mihir. S-E-N. Sen. Mihir Sen. Mihir Sen was crossed the English Channel in the year of 1958. Next question. Women to swim across the English Channel. Answer is Aarti Saha. Aarti Saha. A-R-A-T-I. Aarti. Sorry. A-R-A-T-I-S-A-H-A. Saha. Nobel Prize winner. Who is the first Nobel Prize winner of India? Sorry, question number 10. Magsaysay Award winner. First Magsaysay Award winner of India is Vinoba Bhave. V-I-N-O-B-H-A. Vinoba Bhave is the famous social worker, social reformer, not social worker. V-I-N-O-B-H-A. Vinoba Bhave. B-H-A-V-E. Right? Next question. Nobel Prize winner. Who's the first Nobel Prize winner of India? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. R-A-B-I-N-D-R-A. Rabindranath. N-A-T-H. Nath. Tagore. T-A-G-O-R-E. Tagore. He got Nobel Prize in the year of 1930 for his book Gitanjali. Now, Woman Chief Minister of a State. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of a state? The answer is Sucheta Kripalani. S-U-C-H-E-T-A. Sucheta Kripalani. K-R-I-P-L-A-N-I. Sucheta Kripalani. And she was the Chief Minister of which state? Uttar Pradesh. In the year of 1963. Her serving period was 1963 to 1967. First Commander-in-Chief of Independent India. First Commander-Chief Independent of India is K.M. Cariappa. K.M. Cariappa. C-A-R-I-A-P-P-A. Cariappa. The K.M. Cariappa. Kodandera. Full name of K.M. Cariappa is Kodandera Madappa Cariappa. Don't laugh. Kodandera Madappa Kariyappa. Now, Miss Universe, first Miss Universe, Shushmita Sen. SUSHMITA. Shushmita Sen. In the year of 1994. Last one, Dada Sahab Phalke Award recipient. Dada Sahab Phalke Award is the highest award in the Indian Film Society, right? And the first Dada Sahab Phalke Award winner is Devika Rani, DEVIKARANI, Rani, right? I repeat once again, match your answer. Women Speaker of State, Shanno Devi. Indian Civil Officer, Satyendranath Tagore. Woman Advocate, third, Cornelia Sorabji. Fourth, astronaut, Rakesh Sharma. Fifth answer is Fudorji. Sixth answer is Satyajit Roy. Seventh answer is C.K. Naidu. Eighth answer is Mihir Sen. Ninth answer is Arti Saha. 10th is Vinoba Bhave. 11th Rabindranath Tagore. 12th Suchita Kripalani. 13 K.M. Kariyappa. 14 Shushmita Sen. And last one is Dada Sahab Phalke Award. The student, in this way we have completed our first chapter. Second chapter, Bharat Ratna and other awards. Complete the crossword with the help of the given clues. Here some clues are given. With the help of these clues, you can fill this crossword, and it is your homework. In next class, I will share the answer, then you match. Right? I hope you understand. Thank you.